Hello, good morning friends. Welcome all of you once again. Myself Jatin Dave from Masapura School. और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं एक्सरसाइज 13.2 को लेकर जो कि लेसन नंबर 13 डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शनल की लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है। ये हमारा एक्सप्लेनिंग वीडियोस का लास्ट वीडियो है और हम कंटिन्यू करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 13.2 को क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से। तो ये रहा क्वेश्चन आपके स्क्रीन पर। A contractor estimates that 3% could rewire Jasminder's house in 4 days. If he used 4% instead of 3, how long should they take to complete the job? Let the number of days required by 4% to complete the job be x, and the following table is obtained. Number of days 4 and x respectively, number of workers 3 and 4 respectively. If the number of person is more, then it will take lesser time to complete the job. Hence the number of days and the number of person required to complete the job are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore 4 multiply 3 is equal to x multiply 4, and therefore x is equal to 4 multiply 3 by 4 equal to 3. Thus the number of days required to complete the job is 3. One more question here. Question number 7. A batch of the bottles was packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed using 20 bottles in each box, how many boxes would be filled? So let the number of boxes filled by using 20 bottles in each box be x. The following table is obtained. Number of bottles 12 and 20 respectively. Number of boxes 25 and x. More the number of bottles, lesser will be the number of boxes. Hence the number of bottles and the number of boxes required to pack these are inversely proportional to each other. And therefore 12 multiply 25 is equal to 20 multiply x. Therefore x is equal to 12 multiply 25 by 20 equal to 15. Hence the number of boxes required to pack these bottles is 15. Now question number 8 here. A factory required 42 machines to produce a given number of articles is 63 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? Let the number of machines required to produce articles in 54th day be x. The following table is obtained. Number of machines 42 and x respectively. Number of days 63 and 54. So more the number of machine, lesser will be the number of days that it will take to produce a given number of articles. Thus this is the case of the inverse proportion once again, and therefore 42 multiply 63 is equal to 54 multiply x, and therefore x is equal to 42 multiply 63 by 54 equal to 49. Hence the required number of the machines to produce the given number of articles is 54 days is 49. Now let's go. Question number 9. A car takes 2 hours to reach the destination by traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. How long will it take when the car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour? So let the time taken by the car to reach the destination while traveling with the speed of 80 km per hour be x hours. So the following table is obtained. Speed in kilometer per hour is 60 and 80 respectively, and time taken in hours is 2 and x. More the speed of car, lesser will be the time taken by it to reach the destination. Hence the speed of the car and the time taken by the car are inversely proportional to each other, and therefore 60 multiply 2 equal to 80 multiply x. Therefore x is equal to 60 multiply 2 divided by 80 is equal to 3 by 2. That means 1 integer 1 by 2. The time required by the car to reach the given destination is 1.5 hours. Now question number 10 is on your screen here. Two persons could fit new windows in house in 3 days. Question 1. One of the person fell ill before the work started. How long would the job take now? And second, how many person would be needed to fit the window in 1 day? पहले केस के लिए, let the number of days required by one man to fit all the windows be x. The following table is follow. Is obtained number of persons 2 and 1 respectively, number of days 3 and x respectively. Lesser the number of person, more will be the number of days required to fill all the windows. Hence, this is the case of the inverse proportion, and therefore 2 multiply 3 is equal to 1 multiply x. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Hence, the number of days taken by one man to fit all the windows is 6 days. And in second case, let the number of the person required to fit all the windows in 1 day be y. The following table is formed. Number of person 2 and y respectively, number of days 3 and 1. So lesser the number of days, more will be the number of person required to fit all the windows, and hence this is the case of the inverse proportion, and therefore 2 multiply 3 is equal to y multiply 1. Therefore y is equal to 6. Hence 6 persons are required to fit all the windows in 1 day. Now question number 11 on your screen. A school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. How long would each period be if the school has 9 periods a day, assuming the number of school hours to be the same? So let the duration of the each period when there are 9 periods a day in a school be x minute. The following table is obtained. Duration of the each period in minutes is r 45 and x respectively, and number of periods is 8 and 9 respectively. If there is a more number of periods a day in the school, then the duration of each period will be lesser. Hence, this is the case of the inverse proportion, and therefore 45 multiply 8 is equal to x multiply 9. So x is equal to 45 multiply 8 by 9, therefore x is equal to 14. Hence, in the case, the duration of the each period will be 40 minutes. So, dear students, ये थी एक्सरसाइज 13.2 जो हमने आपके साथ 2 वीडियो के द्वारा शेयर की। यहाँ इसके साथ हमारा लेसन नंबर 13 डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन भी कंप्लीट होता है। तो हम आपसे उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपने इस लेसन के सारे वीडियो, मतलब वीडियो नंबर 1 से लेकर 9 तक सारे वीडियो देखे, सुने और समझे होंगे। और जैसे हमने आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए थे, हर एक वीडियो के साथ आपको जो होमवर्क दिया था या फिर प्रैक्टिस वर्क दिया था ट्राई दिस के माध्यम से, ये सारे के सारे आपने होमवर्क नोट में प्रैक्टिस किए होंगे। जो यहाँ पर हमने सॉल्यूशंस दिया या फिर टेक्सचुअल एक्सरसाइज या टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात की, इसे अच्छी तरह समझने के बाद आपने अपने तरीके से होमवर्क नोट में फिर से एक बार प्रैक्टिस की होगी। और इस उम्मीद के साथ कि फिर भी अगर जो कोई कहाँ पर आपको कुछ डाउट बनता है, तो उस डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए इन वीडियो को आप बार बार देखेंगे और समझने की कोशिश करके अपना डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे। इस उम्मीद के साथ आपका धन्यवाद करेंगे और इस लेसन को यहीं पर कंप्लीट करते हुए बाय बाय, थैंक यू वेरी मच। घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, सलामत रहिए।